Dear students, now let us understand the one more important question from the lesson India Industries. What are the factors influenced to localization of industries, or what are the facilities needed to establishment of industries? The factors to establish paper industry, iron steel industry and cotton industry or sugar industry. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಉತ್ತರ ಬರೋ ರೀತಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Okay, answer is the first one is availability of raw material. The second point is supply of power. The third point is transport facility. Fourth point is availability of capital or money. So next point is availability of labor at low cost. So another point is the technology, the development of technology. So and also government policy. So next point is market facility. So availability of land at low cost. So these are the points answer for this question. ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.